All right, so if I only had 60 seconds to tell you about the Sony BRAVIA XR A95L, well, I'd tell you it's the best movie, gaming, and family TV Sony has ever made. But what you deserve to know is why you should take one home. And it all starts with its designation known as Master Series, which means that it's the brainchild of our top engineers focused on delivering that, well, masterclass picture and sound performance. The combination of the QD-OLED panel, along with our flagship picture processor, the Cognitive Processor XR, delivers unrivaled contrast and color performance. So instead of increasing brightness and sacrificing color, the A95L maintains all its beautiful colors while doubling the brightness levels of the traditional OLED TVs. Now, the A95L also has the very exciting game menu, but unique to this model, it has the new multi-view feature, which actually splits your screen, allowing you to game on one side while watching a walkthrough video on the other. And as an added bonus, the A95L also supports Dolby Vision gaming. But that's not all. The A95L also delivers exceptional audio quality with Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. So in other words, the screen is the speaker.